What's up YouTube, it's Mike Leia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a get ready with me. I know I look crazy right now, but obviously like getting ready. So first of all, let's get into this hair. I just cut this hair myself. I'm so proud of myself because like this is a 360 what's that called? Lace front. Yeah, it's a 360 wig, lace frontal wig, whatever. Yeah, I know what I mean. It comes with an elastic band for the back to make your wig tighter. So I'm gonna be wearing this glueless. This wig was sent to me by Lush Wig. The elastic band, they said it has like piano keys or whatever. I don't even know what that means. It's just a way for it to be like tighter so you can wear it glueless, whatever. I'm gonna put like free spray. I don't even know how I'm supposed to cut this right here. Like, do I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I'm changing my hair so often now, it's crazy. Like literally, y'all not even ready for my next hairstyle. Y'all ready? I don't think so. I didn't do my makeup real quick. Let me install this wig. I have no necklace on, no earring, I have no nothing, anything on. And I actually always have a necklace on, which is really weird. Let me put that on. Hold on. Guys, comment down if you want me to do vlogs. What am I doing? Oh, I was putting eyeshadow on, but do I really want to do that? Not really. I'm about to just put some highlight in the inner corner of my eyes and call it a day. Yo, I have so much makeup that I don't even use. Like, I need to start using my makeup because there should be no reason why I have like 10 palettes that I've never used before. With this palette, today was my first day using this and I've had this for over 3 years. Like, who buys makeup to not use it? I need my eyebrows done so bad. Like, this quarantine, we're not even in quarantine anymore. I don't even know what this is. Like phase 3, phase 4. No, I think it's phase 3. We in phase 3, I'm bugging. But still, like, I just need everything to go back to normal. Like, I normally just wear gloss and stuff, but this liner look with a little bit like a lipstick. Let me see. I'm gonna use my NYX Butter Gloss. I never used this color before. Oh, it says it right here. This is Cherry Cheesecake. Ew, this is like an orange color. Let's see. I don't know. I'm experimenting right now. I've never used this color before, so. And it's not bad. I don't like this color. I feel like an old lady. Ew. I'm gonna leave it just so I can say I tried something new, but I'm probably never gonna wear this color ever again. Ew, wow. I'm trying to like try new things with makeup, like new colors, new lips, new like eyeshadows and stuff, but this is why I stick to lip gloss because let me stop complaining. Whatever, I don't even care anymore. Let's just get into this hair. I don't even know the length of this hair, but I just cut like 2 inches off because I really wanted like a blunt bob. I didn't even add any makeup to this lace and I like the way it looks. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Zoom in. Yeah, I'm about to speed up these clips. Before I insert me doing my actual hair, I'm gonna insert the clips of me fixing up the wig whatever before I put it on my head, so yeah. Inside of the box, it came with this like an edge brush thing. This was actually mad cute, and it comes with like, it's like a rat tail comb at the end. This is cute. So thank you for this. I don't know what to do for these ears. Like, do I cut it? Or I didn't really cut it like, you know, like mad careful, because you're not gonna see it. So I just cut it to where it fits my ear. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay guys, so I'm done installing this wig, and let me tell y'all something. I love it. I've never had a bob before, so it's like something very new to me. Well, I've had a blonde bob for prom, but it was curly. Like this is my first like middle part black bob. And actually, I forgot to mention this when I was showing you guys the box. This wig is like a fake scalp wig. Like, it has like a scalp underneath the lace. You know what I mean? So like what you see right here is not my wig cap. It's the wig cap that came with the wig underneath the lace. So I'm liking this wig. Alright, I forgot to put on mascara, so let me do that real quick and then put on my 7 spray. Cause I didn't even finish my makeup. Alright, I'm done getting ready, and that's the end of this video. This was just like, you know, me do my hair and makeup. But thank you Lush Wig for sending me this wig. I love this hair so much. Like, anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Heavy on the subscribe, okay? Heavy on it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!